Welcome back, everyone. I hope you've been enjoying these for sale videos. I'm in the point of starting to take on new work, and so I'm going to be switching, of course, to evaluations and restorations a little bit more. I needed to get some watches of my own restored and put up for sale, and so there are a few examples on the website now, and this one is going up today, in fact. So as of this afternoon, I'm going to be offering up this lovely 1975 6139 6002 yellow Pogue. This isn't a true Pogue. A true Pogue, of course, is a very specific date with a very specific dial, but in terms of the nominal designation of this style of chronograph, this is certainly within the family of those that are considered Pogues. This watch came to me in a group of watches. It needed a restoration. It needed a bit of work. It was one that of course had suffered from, use and perhaps, I wouldn't say poor service, but service that wasn't up to the standard that I would consider to be of the right quality. And I can understand that. These watches were very cheap and very easy to come by for a long time, and they didn't quite get the care that perhaps they're getting these days, which is nice to see that they're getting some love from the community of watch collectors. If you're interested, this is the details on this watch are as follows. It's a all original watch. Nothing has been changed. The one thing I had to add was actually a correct crown, stem, gear, and spring so that we could change the date appropriately. It had an aftermarket crown and stem, and so this is a Seiko replacement that I have, that is part of my stock. Everything else, though, is original to the watch. It has a lovely, really nice, very yellow inner turning ring, and I like this dial. This is what I would call a honey dial. It has that darker yellow that you don't see on a lot of the other Pogues. This one has this beautiful starburst. It has its its small imperfections on the dial. It has that sort of peppering, is what I would call that. But it's not bad. It is a lot better than many out there. The hands are all original to the watch, as is the insert. The loom is all factory loom. Nothing has been changed. So that is all consistent and great. It is actually a horseshoe back, 6002. And this is from, I think it's March 1975. If I could get that to be in focus, that would be good. There we go. Again, it's on a Seiko. This is a factory Seiko tapered H-link, which is a very nice H-link bracelet. Looks really great. So, if you're interested in a watch that's been both restored cosmetically and serviced mechanically from this era, it has 2 new arbor port jewels that I've put in. I've gone over all of the functions of both the chronograph and the calendar, and everything is exactly as it should be. We're going to watch the calendar click over here as the chronograph runs. Let's just watch that. Do the day and date. All right, and we can do the quick day and date here. That all works exactly as it should. English-Spanish day wheel. Just a really nice watch. The hands themselves are in great shape. They have some minor issues just with the plating and the consistency of the shininess, I would say. But overall, they're very clean. The loom is lovely. Some spotting a little tiny bit on the surface of the loom. It's not deep. It's really nice on the dial. So we'll go ahead and reset. So if you're interested in a Pogue or a 6139 6000, let me know. All right, thanks for watching.